Hey there, I'm Lane Bridger. I'm a transportation planner, and I help cities figure out how to manage their multimodal systems and plan for the future of their corridors. Today, I'm helping my client integrate their infrastructure improvement plans in downtown Elmwood. It's a busy corridor with lots of retail stores, residential homes, transit stops, and green spaces. We're working to keep construction streamlined and minimize disruptions to the community. Here's what's happening on site today. My colleague, Sky Fieldstone, is using drones and AI to analyze surface changes above Elmwood Center Street. She'll use this information to help the city map environmental constraints within the right-of-way, identifying telecom wires and high-voltage power lines that need repair, and recommending site-specific solutions that'll help Elmwood save both time and money on their maintenance improvement plans. Elmwood is preparing for its electrified future, starting with its bus fleet. Here's Mike Volt. He's designing city-wide EV charging stations and coordinating with both the DOT and private utilities to build the infrastructure. Once the charging stations and supporting infrastructure are installed, Mike and his team will work with Elmwood to integrate the new EV fleet with the city's current system. Safety is of utmost importance in Elmwood. To help the city achieve its goals, Elmwood is working with CDM Smith to integrate comprehensive infrastructure upgrades with key safety improvements, including a 4-to-3-lane road diet, dedicated bicycle facilities, high-visibility pedestrian crossings, and bus stop boarding islands. These updates will not only work to calm traffic and reduce collision rates in the area, but also improve multimodal access for Elmwood residents. Now, let's check in with Misty Rivers. She's optimizing the city's stormwater system to help reduce flooding impacts and maintain water quality. She helped the city install their stormwater system 7 years ago, so she's familiar with everything going on both above ground and underground. While Misty's team is replacing the drainage tunnels on Oak Street, they'll also install new bioswales and permeable pavers within the right-of-way. That'll help prevent overflow events and protect Elmwood from other climate-related environmental impacts. Underground, we're busy replacing old water service lines as part of Elmwood's lead service line replacement program. Pippa Copper, the program's project manager, sends me a quick status update. To date, we've identified and replaced over 10,000 lead service lines throughout the city and are helping the city navigate the impending state and federal regulations. While crews are digging up the roadway surface to repair water lines, I've sent Watson Sparks, my lead electrical engineer, who's working with his team to design the power, security, and communication systems for an all-electronic tolling system, to investigate and evaluate the existing electrical infrastructure underground. His team will determine the necessary upgrades and work with the electrical utilities to implement a systematic approach that's aligned with other construction events in the area. Elmwood is taking big steps in building a better tomorrow, using innovative technology and forward-thinking infrastructure planning to make better decisions that keep residents safer, more resilient, and better equipped for the future. Want to learn how our team can help you integrate your infrastructure plans above, below, and within the right-of-way? Let's build together.